அப்புறம் டியூஸ்டே அன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்து டியூஸ்டே நைட் வந்து மதுரா whatever you like will go. Okay. அதான் that's the plan. So நாளைக்கு நான் லஞ்ச் பண்ண வேண்டாம். இப்போ இன்னைக்குள்ள நான் ஃப்ரீ.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
1 minute. I'll take your application. Yeah, you sent it through PDF. Yeah, good. I went through your resume. Yeah. Now, first, let us start in a pakka manner. Please introduce yourself.
So myself, Arya. I've completed M.Com, and now I'm working in Bank of Baroda as an officer. From Ernakulam.
Oh, but when I looked at your what is that CV, it stated as if you are working only up to 22nd April 2022. Why? You should have left it blank. I mean, in the sense, from only you should have filled. To you should not have filled. Years of experience you must have filled there. So I was now having very great doubt in my mind. Why did this girl leave that job? And why should she come for this job? Likewise, I was thinking. That is why I said your resume like that. So I think you have filled it wrongly. Manslayo?
Monthly.
Then it is okay. You stand a very good chance, provided you stand really a good chance, provided you answer the questions confidently.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, good. Please tell me about yourself.
Myself. So currently, I'm working as an officer at Bank of Baroda, handling both operations and credit. Previously, I had also worked in an NBFC, which was a Housing Finance Limited. So that's the experience. Then I completed M.Com. Yeah, that's it.
No, this is not sufficient. No? A Bank of Baroda officer must talk something more. I may need your number because I have account in Bank of Baroda. In case anything I need at any time, I will just tell you some statement like that. Nothing, because I have 2-3 boys. There is one Manoj. He got promoted as sub-staff to clerical recently. So there are many boys and girls are there. Good. Bank of Baroda. Yeah. Now, this is not sufficient. If you tell like this, out of 10, you will get 4 marks. Hello. For introduction alone. Why? What are the other things we have to tell in introduction? So have you not watched some of my videos on Bank of Baroda or other interviews where some candidates introduce themselves very nicely? Yeah.
Yes, I couldn't watch that. So I couldn't watch. I was not well.
1 minute. I will tell you one thing. I think I have not given this to you. Oh, hold on. See, Acha, you are not feeling well, Acha. Very good. In the credit officer folder, I am adding some more files now, because you need to, because even in introduction it has to be done in a better manner. So I will tell you. Hold on just a minute.
Yeah, sure. Sir.
I have to give you immediately this one. There is one thing I'm adding, bankers adda. Are you able to open open the credit officer OneDrive.com? Are you before laptop or cell phone?
So mobile, sir.
Can you access your cell phone? Laptop also? No.
Okay.
Please open your laptop.
In laptop.
No, not necessarily. I want you to open laptop and go to OneDrive.com. The link I have given you. Please come there. Because I have to guide you how you should prepare.
Yes.
Your interview date has not come, na?
Not yet, sir.
Now it is good. So that I can guide you how you should study and you will be able to manage well. So now please open that OneDrive.com. Have you got one file? Bankers Adda interview.
Where it is there? So where is sent? Chat.
No. In the in the credit officer folder, are you having the folder credit officer folder?
No, sir. I do not have that folder.
Acha, I have not given you.
No.
I have given you, but you have not opened.
No.
Opened that. I have given
1
you.
second.
I have given you long back about Wednesday itself.
All right, sir. Okay.
Wednesday itself.
Yeah, sorry.
Please open it.
Yeah.
Have you opened it?
No, sir. I have to sign in 1 second,
No.
sir.
Yeah, no problem. Now you are going for PNB credit officer, na?
Yes.
You have passed the written test, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. How many vacancies are there?
Hello.
How many vacancies are there?
40, sir. For unreserved categories, 40.
Oh, totally?
Totally, it is 100.
Acha. Good. No problem. Have you been able to open the folder?
No, sir. 1 second.
I know speed may not be good. Do you have broadband or not?
Not broadband, sir.
That means speed will be very low. You have to go only by your mobile data, na?
Mobile data.
பரவாயில்ல. Open ஆகுதா? தமிழ் தெரியுமா?
Tamil, கேட்டா மனசிலாவும், sir. I can understand.
கேட்டா மனசிலாகும். That is புரியும். Acha. Good.
Yes, sir. I got the folder.
Open that folder.
Open.
What are the things you are seeing?
The credit officer questions, commerce questions. Then credit officer questions of loans. Then credit officer view 2. Then most common other. Then PNB banks member, risk management, PNB credit analysis, commerce questions. Then bankers ada.
This is the thing.
SB.
Now open that one.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Open. Please read. Personal.
Personal questions. Be brief and tell me about yourself. Be brief and summarize your skills and experience in 30 to 45-second maximum. Otherwise, the interviewer may lose the attention. Standard way: greeting, your native place, educational qualification, internship or job, if any, skills and strengths that you have learned, end with your strengths.
Now, sample answer. Please read.
Sample answer. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Abhishek Kumar Singh. I am from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my BTech from Ludhiana University in Electronics and Communication. I did my internship at Wonderworks Electricals in Chandigarh, where I've learned about various skills like assembling, programming, etc. I'm a person with strong interpersonal skills and have the ability to get along well with people. I enjoy the challenges and look forward for creative solutions to problems.
Continue.
What about this job interests you? Things to include the fact that the skills and qualities that are required for the job are the matches of your own. The fact that only highly ambitious, enthusiastic, and talented people secure this job after beating the unimaginable competition, and you want to work with such responsible people who take their job seriously, because this then breeds positivity and job satisfaction. The fact that this job allows you to grow and develop long term.
Continue.
A sample answer. I'm interested in this job for various reasons. Before applying for this job, I carefully read the job description and I genuinely have the necessary skills, passion, and quality to perform highly. You hire some talented, enthusiastic, and ambitious people. I enjoy working as part of a team, and I believe this job is one where I'll be able to get lots of job satisfaction from, while also working with people who will help me to continually grow and develop.
Then how would you present your strength?
Present your strengths. Tip 1, use positive words in your answer. This will resonate with the interview panel and make them feel good about you and your work skills. Examples of positive words: motivated, supportive, diligent, effectively, enthusiastic, competent, resilient,
Resilient.
resourceful,
No.
resilient.
Resilient means what is the meaning?
The patience or
Perseverance.
perseverance.
Resilient means not giving up, trying again and again.
Determined.
Determined.
Resourceful,
Mm.
flexible, committed, focused, confident. Sample answer. My strengths include an ability to work effectively as part of a team, being supportive of other team members, being able to focus on the task at hand, carrying out my work competently and diligently, and also being enthusiastic and motivated about each task.
Very good. This much will do. I'm not going through all the pages. This is just a beginning, because now this would have made you understand the introduction given by you is not adequate.
Yes.
It has to be fully one that makes the listener get interested in you. Understand? It is like talking to your very important customer in your. Which branch are you working?
Ernakulam, sir.
Ernakulam, big branch or small branch? Any small? Which
AGM branch, sir, big branch.
Oh, Baba. That means you must be seeing a lot of good, very top customers, very important customers and all that. So when you talk to a very important customer, how you communicate so that you are understood clearly? Manslayo? That way you have to communicate. Anyhow, I am not going into self-introduction and your previous job experience, etc. in this interview. I will go into other questions like regarding your, of course, this present branch. I have to take a note of this. I will go for questions based on this job. Now, please tell me what is the job you are now doing?
Currently,
tell me.
Currently, I'm handling retail credit and currently I'm handling retail credit. Mainly comprises of home loan, car loan, and a bit, and also some MSME loans. Mudra, particularly Mudra loans.
Good. That means you are not engaged in processing of big proposals. What is the maximum value you have processed? You don't have experience. Because in PNB and other banks, they give more importance for people who have processed big proposals. Sometimes they ask, have you processed proposal of 100 crore, 50 crore? Like that, they will ask. So for that, your
Mm.
answer is not that way positive. What is the maximum limit of your borrower, sum of your borrower in your branch, which the proposal you have handled?
Proposal I ever handed would be 50 lakhs a retail loan.
Bus, only that much.
A retail would be 50 lakhs only. I have seen MSME proposals that have been of 200 crores and all, but I haven't processed it. I have had a glimpse of.
Acha, how did you come across them? Some other officer is dealing with them.
Yes, my senior manager is dealing with all those loans, sir.
So today, from tomorrow, what you are going to do, you will go and see those proposals. Tell him, I have to learn about this. Is he aware that you are trying for jobs? Or if you don't want to tell, he is aware.
He is aware.
Then no problem. Tell him that
Ah.
I am interested in going to another bank, and for which credit officer portfolio I must be thorough with what is the working in this. So you please go through one proposal only, big proposal, right from the first stage to current stage, and get to know what are the stages in which how they have analyzed that proposal, what are the problems experienced, what are the solutions given, and how. But of course, I would, if the limits, maximum limit accounts 2 or 3 are there, I would request you to take one very good account and an account that has become NPA also.
Okay.
If possible, I don't want your accounts to become NPA for our sake, but so that if you process them, and then you may be able to answer some of the questions that I'll be asking. But of course, now I will go down to your limit, what you are now doing. Now, please tell me, you said you have dealt with some proposal, retail loan for 50 lakhs. Can you tell me what is that type of loan? What is that loan?
It was a housing loan, particularly it was for used for construction of house. Yeah, and the borrower was a businessman.
You don't, yeah, you can explain about everything except the name and place. Just tell everything, that's all. No problem. He's a businessman. Good point you brought in. Now, also tell us what are the documents you took for analyzing credit worthiness.
Yeah, for credit worthiness, first thing, because all the rates are based on CIBIL score, first we need to generate the CIBIL report. So we generated for CIBIL report, we asked him the ID proofs. Based on that, CIBIL report was generated, and then his credit worthiness was checked. The credit history was checked. After that, his income proofs were being asked. ITR was asked. Then, in support of that, since he was doing business, in support of business income documents like their balance sheet and profit and loss was asked. Then, after analyzing his financial statements, then we forwarded with the legal documents which was required since it was a housing loan. So we had cleared all the legal. We had sent the documents for legal report. It was obtained. Then further evaluation was done. Then eligibility was arrived based on the LTV and also based on his income. And then that's all, sir. That processing was completed.
How many years income certificates did you take?
30 years, sir.
30? Wow,
30.
Oh God. In some other banks and all, like Indian Bank I was working, we used to take only 13 years, 13. Achha, nowadays what they do, I don't know. It's okay. Good. Now, tell me also, what is the procedure followed for creation of equitable mortgage? Hello? Where you in? Where you? Where? Yeah, no problem. Take your own time.
1 second, sir.
No problem. You are at full liberty to
Hello, sir.
Ah,
Can you hear?
See, I was about to ask you, are you involved in documentation stage also, or there is some other team which is doing documentation? Because whenever I conduct interview for ICICI, Axis Bank, HDFC, those fellows will tell me, sir, my duty is to canvas for account only. Balance, everything is done by somebody else. So I think in Bank of Baroda, it may not be so. No? I think you will be taking documents and all yourself, correct?
Yes, from canvassing, we do everything of alone.
Good. That is a good thing. Now tell me, what are the documents you take for housing loan, and more especially about equitable mortgage? Please explain.
For housing loan, we take an agreement between the bank and the borrower. Then we then then we take, but see the documents name, like for me or in my bank it is different names. Can I use that name itself?
Yeah, you have to use those names only, because you can speak only about what you know. So you
Okay.
tell that what you know only. I'm asking. I'm not asking what you have to do in PNB.
Okay.
Tell me.
Okay. We take a term loan agreement. Then we take a letter of acceleration clause. Then then we take forgot.
No problem. I think you are having cold, cough, and all that.
Yes.
I think your neighbor is having cold and cough in your office. Because this is the period where everybody is getting in Kerala cold, cough, and almost majority of my candidates are having it. Now the point is, you doesn't matter. I'm not pressurizing. You have to prepare for questions like this. Number one, what is the? I now tell me only about equitable mortgage. About equitable mortgage, how you are taking it? Tell me.
Yeah. We take a declaration from the borrower that he is depositing the title deeds with us. Then we take sir, I remember that number of the document.
Number of document. Okay. Now tell me, what does the document does? You should have told we take a declaration signed by the borrower confirming is depositing title deeds with us with an intention to create equitable mortgage for the facility offered. Itna points important. And
we take we take a declaration, then we take a letter of confirmation, then we take attendance register, like he was present at the time of depositing the title deeds. We take in that along with his photo, we make him sign, and then we also confirm from our bank side that which all officers were present while depositing the title deeds.
Super. In some banks, it is known as document execution register. In some banks, it is known as document execution register, where we will write down date on which the document is taken, name of the party, nature of facilities, name of documents taken, about the person who is executing documents, in whose presence it was executed. In those days, we were not taking photograph and all that. But now, because of the complications, you have to take everything and get it done. Good. So this aspect, okay. After that, what you will do for equitable mortgage?
For equitable mortgage, since in Kerala we
the line got disconnected. Start from the beginning. What you will do?
Yes, sir. Sir, yeah, in Kerala we do not register the property.
Acha? Oh, you don't register the mortgage. Hello. What happened?
Hello.
Why so poor? You please come out of your house. Get out of your house. I want you to have a good signal. Just I'm making fun.
Okay.
Come to balcony.
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
this is not my new experience. My major time is spent on Federal Bank boys and girls, where majority of the boys girls are from Kerala.
Oh, okay.
So this is the trend available, and especially because of rain. Are you having rain now?
Now, yes, sir. Now it's okay. All right.
No, it is stopped. Acha. Because one boy has
Mm.
told now it is very heavily raining, no power and all that. Do you have power in your place?
Yes, sir.
Because you are living in a city, so no problem. Yeah. Acha,
Yeah.
Tell me then what you do
Ah,
after taking this
uh,
paper. Yeah. You were telling very important point. In Kerala, we are not registering what? We are not registering what?
the property with the bank, in bank's name we are not registering, but in other states I think the once the property is mortgaged, it is being registered in bank's name.
No. It's not so. In other states also, what they do, they get the equitable mortgage document registered, not the property being registered in the name of the bank. This document of creation of equitable
Okay.
mortgage will be registered and as against that particular property, so that the charge is known to the others and he cannot sell it without his clearing our loan. So that is a step that is being taken now. It is because previously when I was there and all, we used to take only document, keep it with us. Nowadays, borrowers, what they do, they go and take a duplicate copy of the documents and create another equitable mortgage with the duplicate copy. To prevent that this is being done. So why it is not being done? Why it is not being registered? How do you ensure that the party is not creating further charges?
Sir, here we register in Cersei portal. So so while registering, we search for any duplication of the charge being created for the same property. Then
can you? Sorry, I don't have experience regarding Cersei portal. Can you tell few details about it? I have not come across somebody who can spend time and explain to me. Please tell me what is Cersei portal, how the work is done in that. Yeah. Is it a central document now that is throughout the country, same document?
Yes, sir. Central Registry of Securitization and Interest Act. That is that act. So in that we whatever we mortgage with bank, we enter in that portal. So with the survey number, with the document number, with the loan, like what kind of loan, and the borrower details also, their PAN number, their ID. I mean their name, their date of birth, ID, address, along all these details will be there, like borrower details, asset details, then with whom they are depositing the title deeds.
Acha, good. How much is the charge to be paid for that?
Charge as of now, we are not collecting any charge from the borrower. For it's like an unified processing fee. We collect as a one-time fee. For registering in Cersei, we are not collecting charge from the borrower. But I think it is 1,000 plus GST. I am not sure about that, sir. I mean, as a
this is a very new thing. I'm not aware of it. Good. So I now I have seen this. It is cersei.org.in, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I will go through that. I'll get to know that. Okay. This is only you are doing. This only you are doing. I think even in other states they must be doing only this. Not. But if you register in this, will it get reflected? Will it get reflected in your local registrar's books?
No, sir. No.
What I'm asking is that
yes, sir. In the local, in our EC and all, this will not get reflected. We cannot in the EC we cannot find. But the thing is that if previously there was a rule that once we create an EM, within 30 days, we should register in Cersei portal.
Okay. True. Now,
But now but
yeah.
no. But now it has been changed.
What is the present rule?
Your signal issue.
What is the present rule?
1 second.
Oh, current. No, another
Present
10,
rule is who
10 minutes is there. Come on. Talk. What is the present rule?
so present rule is that whoever creates the charge first in Cersei portal, that person gets the property. Like if we forget to create charge, now the 30 days rule is not there. If we forget, if with a bank, if with Bank of Baroda he has taken loan and we forgot to register in Cersei, he forged the document and took a loan from Union Bank, and if the Union Bank has created the charge first, then it goes to them only. If we do not create a charge, like that.
No,
So
supposing it is like this, that you have given loan on 1st April and you are getting it registered on 30th April. But before that, he takes from Union Bank on 10th April and Union Bank registers on 11th April. Now,
yes, sir.
Who will get charged? Only Union Bank?
Only Union Bank, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the advantage of this? If it is not going to be entered in the registrar's books, that means if he wants to sell the property, he can sell it, no? He can go and sell it in the registrar office, correct?
Yes, he can sell it. Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Anyhow, this is something different. I will ask some lawyers so that we can get some more ideas about it. Anyhow, thank you. You are answering very well. Now, you are 28. You are not married, unmarried.
Yes, sir.
Why have you not got married till now? They can ask you this question.
Yes. Yes, actually, being a Hindu, like horoscope matches has to be done. So till now, no horoscope we didn't get any horoscope that matches with mine. But now my marriage is fixed. It'll happen in this September, sir.
Oh, very good. Congratulations. See,
Thank you.
the time I am asking, your marriage is being fixed. So nice.
Yes, sir.
Where is the son-in-law working?
He is working in a private firm. He's the company secretary, working in Popular Finance.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Nice. Because I am reminded of this because yesterday only we watched that movie Vashi. Vashi, have you not heard this movie?
No, sir.
Say a lawyer and two lawyers, one male lawyer, female lawyer, and something like that. And for them, they argue a case which is very important because first case, and they argue against each other, something like that. Anyhow, interesting. So let it be like this now. I have showed you the way how you should study. Now, I will take you again to credit officer portfolio, that folder. Please come there. Please come there.
Okay, sir.
And there, credit officer, what is that? Credit officer interview questions regarding commerce. That is okay. Then commerce, I think both are same. Commerce related, both are same only. Maybe I have repeated it. Then next one, credit officer interview, additional points. These things you please go through.
Okay, sir.
So I got it from somewhere. Like topics like balance sheet, commercial paper, CD, credit officer interview, additional points, credit policy purpose. So then what is civil rank? Then capital. So many things are given. Pura pad lijiye.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes.
Pura pad lijiye. Acha, I think I can remove one of commerce related. Both are same na. Yeah, both are same. I can remove one. Just a minute. I will delete it. Correct. Deleted. Okay. No, probably I'm not able to delete. It doesn't matter. Then credit officer types, something I have given. What is that? I don't know. Please go through that. term loan,
Okay.
because sometimes people were not able to explain this also. What is term loan? What is bank overdraft facility? What is letter of credit? What is bank guarantee? What is lease finance? What is SME collateral free loan? Construction equipment loan, SME credit card, commercial vehicle loans. These things because you are a bank officer, you know, but still you learn to explain about it. This is a thing you may not know. Most common interview questions. This is personal related questions, like I was talking to you about your family, marriage, your strengths, etc. Please go through that. Then PNB Bank's profile. I think I should update it. I will update it. In the meantime, go through this.
Okay, sir.
In the meantime, go through this. Then risk management. This is also necessary. So please go through risk management. Then PNB credit analysis. This is again I got from somebody working in credit, or from online. So I have just taken from the website only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's all. These are all that takes from there. So please prepare them, and after you are preparing very well, you can take an interview with me, and you can pay, get a date from me, and then pay 200, not before that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Any questions immediately? You have doubts? Because I think 3 minutes time is there. Ask.
Doubts. Sir, do you know anyone who's working as like manager in PNB?
PNB, yeah, there are a lot of people who have gone through me, but only thing is, whenever I follow that and send mail, nobody responds. Because right now I wanted some clarification from State Bank, and you have to believe me, there are 100 people who have joined through me in State Bank as CBO, but I'm not able to. When I send mail to two people, nobody has replied. Anyhow, doesn't matter. If I come across somebody, I will tell you. But you can yourself walk into the nearest Punjab National Bank. Please walk into the Punjab National Bank and talk to some lady officer and try to know more. But nowadays, much of it we can learn from the website itself. Website. I have given you whatever I have given you here is only from website. Please go through the website and prepare yourself. Best wishes. No other doubt.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
No, but you have not prepared well, and you told me because you were not well. Doesn't matter. Next time you take it seriously. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Pallavi, Pallavi, you are going for Federal Bank, na? Pallavi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I will close
Yes,
this.
sir.
I will close this video and start again. You please join me.
All right, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.